to talk about fungus. You don't want to miss this. Hello, I'm Dr. Seymour Sexe with an E. Not my real name. And today we're going to talk about something nasty. And we're not talking about STDs, we're talking about fungus. What does one do when one is plagued with fungus? Or, the plural fungus is fungi, as in athlete's foot and toenail fungus and jock itch. Have you had this problem? You don't have to raise your hand. Perhaps you've had itchy, peeling skin between your toes. Or perhaps your toenails are, shall we say, ugly. Perhaps your feet smell bad. Perhaps you have a stinky feet. All these things can be remedied very easily and very inexpensively, although not necessarily quickly. Now, there are all sorts of treatments for these things, but Dr. Seymour Sexe has a treatment that perhaps you've never heard of, or perhaps you have because he did not invent this himself, but it's basically using, and we're not being sponsored by this company, Vicks Vapor Rub. Now, you might think this is only for chest colds. You know, you rub it on your chest and you're cold, your congestion goes away and you feel so much better. Well, it's true, it works for that, but it also works for fungus. You put it between your toes every day, even twice a day, but after you bathe, shower, whatever, and you will find that it gradually goes away, the fungus, the itching, the annoyance. You will also find that your feet smell sweet, sweet, sweet. No more stinky feet. Now, as far as the toenails, it's very difficult to fix a toenail fungus. There are oral medications that one can take, but they have a lot of side effects. You may want to save a few pennies and buy an off-brand, the store brand. Well, that's perfectly fine, because if you compare the ingredients, it probably is about the same thing. Now, if you find some cheap brand doesn't have as much of the oils and things that make Vicks Vapor Rub, then of course you get a very inferior product and it may not work as well. You decide whether you want to buy the name brand or not. It's very effective, but it's very slow, because you see, you cannot fix the nail that's already yellowed and thickened and nasty looking. But if you put it around the cuticle where the skin and the nail meet, and you rub it there, you rub over the whole nail, but you particularly pay attention to there, you will notice that as your toenail grows out, it will no longer be discolored. It will be pretty and fresh like it was when you were young and innocent. But be patient. Patience is a virtue. I want to thank you all for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. A good day.